In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot and insert it into Google Docs. This is a really useful skill, whether you're compiling a report, putting together a presentation, or simply sharing information. We'll walk through two methods to achieve this. The first method involves using the print screen function on your keyboard. Now, I know some of you might be struggling to find that print screen button. It's usually located on the right side of your keyboard, just to the left of the scroll lock key and above the insert button. Once you've located it, you'll want to press that button. After you've done this, head to your Google Docs document. Simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will paste the image of your full screen straight into your document. If you're working with multiple screens like I am, this method will still capture the entire expanse of your displays. So ensure that what you want to include is visible on your screen setup. It's a no-fuss way to capture everything that's currently on your screen. But what if you need to capture only a specific part of your screen, not the entire display? For capturing just a section of your screen, we'll use a handy tool called Snipping Tool. Start by typing Snipping Tool into the Windows search bar. Once the app appears, click on it to open. You'll see a small window pop up. From here, click on New, and your screen will transform into a selection tool. Use your mouse to click and drag over the specific area you wish to capture. This option allows for a more focused screenshot, perfect for highlighting certain information or images. After you've selected the area, press Ctrl+C to copy your newly captured screenshot. Navigate to your Google Docs document, and similarly to the first method, press Ctrl+V to paste that selection right into your document. It really is as simple as that. Both methods are incredibly useful depending on the scope of what you're wanting to include in your Google Docs. Whether it's the entire screen or just a slim portion of it, you now have the skills to capture it effectively. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered taking a screenshot and inserting it into Google Docs using two different techniques. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave any questions or comments you may have down below, and of course, subscribe to stay updated with more easy-to-follow guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.